Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the topic Hormones in Animals of Chapter 7 Control and Coordination of Class 10th. Cells cannot continuously create or transmit electrical impulse. Thus, most multicellular organisms use another means of communication between different cells that is called the chemical coordination. The chemicals used in such communication are known as hormones. Hormones are chemicals released by the body to control and regulate the activity of certain cells and organs. They are secreted by endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. Hormones are poured directly into the bloodstream. They act only on the specific organs known as target organs. Types of endocrine glands: hypothalamus, pituitary, and pineal. These three glands are found in our brain. Thyroid and parathyroid glands are found in the neck region. Thymus in the chest region. Adrenal gland is found on the two kidneys. Pancreas below stomach. Ovary in the female reproductive organ and testes in the male reproductive organ. Now let's study the different endocrine glands one by one. Hypothalamus gland. It is the gland present in brain between the thalamus and the midbrain. Functions as the main control center for the autonomic nervous system by regulating sleep cycles, body temperature, appetite, etc. It regulates the hormonal secretions of the pituitary gland through releasing and inhibiting hormones. Pituitary gland. It is a pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain. It is the master gland as it controls the secretion of all the other endocrine glands. It secretes growth hormone. Under secretion of growth hormone causes dwarfism and over secretion causes gigantism. Pineal gland. The pineal gland is present in the brain near the pituitary gland. Pineal secretes a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin plays a very important role in the regulation of a 24-hour rhythm of our body. The pineal gland regulates internal body clocks such as sleep, wake cycle, menstrual cycle. Thyroid gland. It is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the throat. It secretes the hormone thyroxine, which regulates the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in the body. Iodine is required to synthesize thyroxine in the body. In case of iodine deficiency, under secretion of thyroxine leads to goiter. Thymus gland. These are paired structure present on either side of the trachea. The thymus gland is a very unique organ. It is largest in children and it shrinks away as the body grows older. It secretes thymosin hormone, which activates immune response and also helps in the production of antibodies. Adrenal gland. These are two in number, located one on the top of each kidney. They secrete adrenaline hormones, which regulates blood pressure, heartbeat, breathing rate. Adrenaline is also released in stress situations, excitement or conflict situations. Thus, they are known as flight or fight hormone. Pancreas. It is a leaf-like gland present below the stomach in the abdomen. It is an endocrine as well as exocrine gland. That's why it is called mixed gland. As an endocrine gland, it manufactures two hormones, insulin and glucagon. Both these hormones act antagonistically, that means opposite to each other, and regulate the sugar level in the blood. As an exocrine gland, it secretes enzymes to break down the protein, lipids, carbohydrates and nucleic acids in food. Insufficient amount of insulin from pancreas leads to a disease called diabetes. Testes. Present only in males outside the lower abdomen in scrotum. They secrete male sex hormone called testosterone, which regulates the male accessory sex organs and is also responsible for the production of secondary sexual characters like mustache, beard, deepening of voice, etc. Ovaries. Present only in females in lower abdomen. It releases two hormones, estrogen, which is responsible for the development of female sex organs, and secondary sexual characters such as mammary glands, soft skin, hair patterns and feminine voice. Progesterone is responsible for the regulation of uterine changes in menstrual cycle and maintenance of pregnancy. Feedback mechanism. The timing and amount of hormone released in our body is controlled by a mechanism called the feedback mechanism. It keeps the secretion of hormones in precise quantities. The flow chart of blood glucose feedback mechanism is given. When the sugar level in the blood rises, it is detected by the cells of pancreas. It synthesizes insulin. So, when the sugar level falls, the secretion of more insulin stops.